Hello everyone, so let's make Automate Wardrobe with Python. Here is an app that can automatically chooses what you wanna wear in the morning. This is not gonna take you much energy, it's built in very simplest and minimalistic manner. Just upload all of your wardrobe once and sit back and relax. You don't need to worry about combinations or different outfits, and it will take care of it. It is also a beginner friendly Python project, so even if you have just started or you just have the basic knowledge, you can build this throughout. And here's the mini fashion show for you all guys, just to give you a clear idea about how you can use this app. So enjoy. So let's get started with the coding part. I did this using Python 3 and PyCharm as my IDE. For this project, we are using few Python libraries, that is Kinter, Pillow and Playsound. We are using class structure because it will be easy to update photos. Make sure that the class takes the root because in further part we'll be needing for additional widgets. So here we are adding title and size of window. Before we proceed, I want you to know something that is about Kinter. We will be using PAG, which is Kinter Geometry Manager. We'll be using this. Why? Because it's easiest one to use. In this project, you can see images and those three buttons. In the bottom are widgets. The Geometry Manager will pack those widgets into the frame and then finally pack that frame to the root. Got it? Here you can see the create photos function. In this, we are doing things like open the image file and resize the image using Pillow. This is general function for top as well as bottom. Pillow will be able to give us PNG file into a Kinter compatible image. Then there is Kinter label and connect to the frame. So the next function is create buttons. Here we are adding those three buttons and make sure to pack it to the top screen. Now let's see get next item function, how these buttons will work. As everyone must be having little knowledge about lists. As you know, we store image paths in list. The indexing starts from 0 and to find next item we just need to increment to get to the next item and decrement to get the previous one. So that's the logic we have used in these buttons. Next function help us update this image just like create photo, but this time we'll build this instead of creating we are updating, so we will do it using configure. Same way the bottoms will be done, just instead of top we need to do it for bottoms. Final function is create outfit. We're gonna make this using random, then update top and bottom, and just for some touch of spice we're gonna add some sound. And that's it about this amazing app. I'll see you later guys. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.